All right, welcome in, guys, to my channel, Buy the Dip. Today's video, we're going to be talking about ticker symbol GFAI. That's right, Guardforce. Man, this one is starting to get a lot of momentum here shortly, so I wanted to bring it to my viewers' attention and put it on your watch list. I'm not telling you to buy, sell, or trade, but put it on your watch list and see what this bad boy does, because there's a lot of interesting news floating around here on this one, and there's some possible short squeeze potential as well. And we talk about that market rotation where you're seeing a lot of the large caps, a lot of value stocks, a lot of the safe stocks are getting taken down right now. Keep in mind, guys, this is one of these other stocks. We cover MetaMaterials, and this is another stock that was in the same kind of boat that kind of got destroyed with the small cap and the Russell stock. So here we go. Look at this here. The one-day chart, guys, up 14.22%. Here you can see up 14.2% in the regular hours, and after hours up another 12%. So you're talking up over 26.5% in one day. That's what these small cap, this is only a $25 million market cap, guys. So these stocks can fly very quickly and on very low volume. Look at this down here, the volume. 2.2 million in volume, guys. And this thing was up 26% today. So I want to say first, congratulations to anyone that bought in and received those 26% gains. Now, I'm going to need to take a look at this if I'm going to decide to buy in tomorrow and try to ride this as a momentum play. That's what I'm looking at. That swing trade momentum play, get in, get out kind of deal. And we're going to go over some of the patterns that I see in the chart. So this does have a 1 year target estimate of $2. So if you're buying here at 70 cents, $2, that's almost a 3x. So that's pretty darn good. All right. So the big news here floating around, there's an article out here, and this could be putting a little buzz into the air because there could be a big drop of PR tomorrow at this event. So here it is. Guardforce AI to present at the H.C. Wainwright Global Investment Conference on May 24th. And we're going to cover this article here. Here it says, Integrated Security Solutions Provider today announced that Mr. Terrence Yap, chairman of Guardforce AI, will be presenting at the H.C. Wainwright Global Investment Conference, which is being held May 23rd to the 26th, 2022, at the Fontainebleau Miami Beach Hotel, Miami, Florida. The conference will include virtual and in-person participation. And here is the kicker. Mr. Yap is scheduled to present in person on Tuesday, May 24th at 3 p.m. The presentation will be webcast live and available, and a replay at this link they have right here. So I can try to put this down there in the pinned comments as well for you guys. But if you just type in Global Newswire, go search GFAI, you will be able to come up with this article. So people is going to be speculating that Mr. Yap here is going to drop a bombshell tomorrow. Well, today at 3 o'clock when you're seeing this video. But you're going to have a big bombshell come out, so it could be good or bad. So like I said, this is a risky short-term swing trade right now, because if it's not really any news, this thing could sell off. I think that's why it's running up right now, because we are kind of in the bear market. But to see a stock run this much is telling you it's squeeze potential. There's no other way around it, man. You just don't run that much. You can run 3 to 5%, maybe 5 to 10%. But when you start getting to 20-some percent, that's squeeze momentum. Now, like I said, guys, this is a small market cap of 25 million. Low float, actually. I want to pull this up. $25 million market cap with a low float of 40 million shares. So it doesn't take much volume to move the share price on this one. And this is something really affordable that retail could really, this is a stock that retail could drive the price up because it's 70 cents right now. There's 40 million shares. It's, like I said, extremely low float. Now, the short interest here, there's really not too much of a short on it. It says only 0.23 days to cover. So there's not really many long shorts out there. Short squeeze scores is 76.25, ranked 1,500 out of 5,400 stocks. But the shares on loan is really low. So there is a good bit of shares out there that's being currently lent out for borrowed or short, because there's only 50,000 left. Usually these brokerages can have anywhere from 5 to 10 million shares available to be borrowed or short at any time. And right now we're only setting 50,000 shares on this one. So pretty low short here. And look at the short borrower fees. This is key to keep in mind. It's high to borrow the stock. it is high to short this stock. Current interest rate, the short bar fee is a 96.32. So they're almost upside down this transaction as soon as they go to short it. And for the 23rd, the short FINRA short volume ratio was a 56.43, and aggregate short volume ratio is at 57.14. So what's that telling you there? Over half of the volume traded in the dark pools was shorted. That's right, FINRA is the dark pool volume, and over half of that volume was shorted, guys. So keep that in mind. So I wanted to go back here and look at the chart. I'm going to bring you to the one year chart. No, actually, it was the year to date. Yeah, this one kind of sums it up. The year to date kind of sums it up over almost 5 full months here of trading. You can see where this thing pops up and drops down. So kind of pump and dump, pump, dump, pump, dump, pump, dump. Now, our key is to get in and maybe try to ride some of this momentum, but you got to remember, it can be risky. You can get burned on this. But as you can see, back on January 3rd, the stock was $1.16. It hit a high of $1.62 on the 14th, and it did sell off. February was down to 70 cents, 60 cents. Down here, it hit a low on February 22nd at 43 cents, guys. Yes, that's right. These small cap stocks, these meme stocks, they all got destroyed. Look at any stock out there, unless you're oil and gas stock, they all got destroyed basically. Every stock. Now it's the large cap value stocks, the safety stocks. Those stocks are the ones getting hit right now. We've already went through the pain, and you're starting to see a rally on some of these Russell 2000 stocks. So this low here in February actually got down to 36 cents. Wow. Congratulations, anyone got that. But as you can see here, the market had a little bit of a rally. There's a lot of rallies here. From March the 10th through March the 16th, I mean, this thing went up 88% in 1 week, guys. Dropped back down there a little bit, but then you had another momentum, another 40% swing, and that was from the 17th to the 21st. So another week, you get up by another 40%. Well, then we had a little sell-off here from the 21st to the 24th. It went down 24, almost 25%. But if you picked it up on that low of $1 on March 24th, you could have rode this up to $1.73, which is an increase of 73%, guys. Now, here as of April 1st, the stock has been selling off. And today is kind of starting to see the little bit of a rally. It was back here and it dropped down, and now it's on this test. Because as you see in the 1 week, back on the 17th, we was at 64 cents. It's tested out a few times. And today, we broke the 64 cent mark after hours, setting at 70 cents. So, will we continue this momentum tomorrow? I believe there will be a momentum first thing, probably trading. And it could lead up all day up until 3 o'clock of this gentleman here, Mr. Yap, giving this speech at 3 p.m. Eastern time. So, going to be very exciting. I wish I was down in Miami. That'd be pretty nice. I'll be at work at 3 o'clock. But yeah, so we're going to see what happens on this. May throw a few $100 in it as a gamble and see what happens. Comment down below, what are you going to do? Are you in this play? Are you in it for the swing trade, short term? You in this for long term? Comment down below your plans. Love to get your thoughts and opinions. And if you got any value, please smash thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. And I will catch you all in the next video, guys. Peace.